everybody, this is Cindy and we're now going to show you another property, which is a housing lot located in Bakaking, Baguio City. So I am now here standing in front of the housing lot, but let me mention first, okay, this is the way or the entrance going to the property itself. Okay, and this is the neighboring houses of the property. Okay, so as you can see, this is a subdivision area, and it is very cozy, very comfortable. Okay, so this is the parking area, and we're now going to enter the housing lot. By the way, this is 75 square meter housing lot, and its floor area is like 50 to 60 square meters. So it's bare, everything is bare, but these are some of the things that is inside the house. The unique thing about this is that it has a fireplace, okay, and this will be like the living area or like the sala, and this is the kitchen area with the cupboards, and we have one bathroom and one comfort room in this first floor. Alright, and then this is the area for the, I think, the curry kitchen. Okay. Okay. By the way, this is a very, very important thing. This house is actually under renovation, but it's still with the same price. So this is just the starting of the renovation, but surely if it will be done, then this will be like a new property again. We're now entering the second floor of the house. It's originally 2 bedrooms, but now we're now going to make it 3 bedrooms. So this is the 3rd bedroom, but it's still under construction. Okay, so in this area we have a terrace to see